Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to run EFI or fuel injection diagnostics on your bike using a fuel injection scanner. This one right here, the DN3000. I got it from TX Power Sports. It's a little expensive there, about 500 bucks. So I wouldn't suggest it. I didn't know what else to do. It's an OBD2 port. It has a special adapter. Here's your OBD2 port. Here's the adapter that connects it to it. Here's what the end that connects to the motorcycle looks like. There's a 3-prong. I'm gonna try to get all the connectors so you guys can see them. But pretty much, this attaches to the bike and attaches to a regular OBD2 port. Here's the scanner again. Here's the whole thing. Okay. Once you have the adapter connected to your OBD2 port, you're gonna find the connection on the Hawk DLX, which is right behind this side plastic here. You're gonna pop the cap. You have to squeeze. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's gonna be tough for me, but I've done it enough times. Should be able to pull it off. Gotta let go of one thing. Here we go. That's the connector. This is not the connector. Pull that off. Here's my adapter. Here's the connection. Once I connect this, my scanner will turn on. Here it is. Here's my scanner. Okay, so let's say you're driving down on your DLX and your check engine light comes on. Oh man, terrible, right? So you're gonna go on the scanner. Right, you see my check engine light. You're gonna go to your scanner. The first option you get is motor OBD. You're gonna click enter. This is a Delphi, so you're gonna hit Delphi. You're gonna hit read codes. My ECU has no faults. It's just reading this. It just has the signal because when you turn on the bike and turn on the EFI without turning on the ignition, the light comes on. But if I had codes, right, you could hit enter. You can hit enter. No codes. Okay, so I could erase codes. Erase trouble codes. Are you sure? Enter, yes. Please turn on ignition, the engine off. Press enter to continue. The ignition is not on. Erase done. Right. And then I can also check my data. So I'll do it again for you. You can go to data screen. Right after you go to EFI. And I'll turn on the light for you so that you can see my data stream. So to demonstrate the EFI further, I simulated a condition here. I disconnected the ignition coil right here, this little wire underneath the starter here, the solenoid. Disconnected that, right? You can easily, this could vibrate off one day, right? Bike no longer starts. If I use my EFI scanner, it's gonna tell me P0351, cylinder 1 ignition coil malfunction. On look, oh, this is disconnected. Plug that back in. read the code again, and look, no ECU faults. And right, you could erase any codes at this point. Done.